Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see breakpoints in Bootstrap 5. There are 6 default breakpoints available. Extra small, which is less than 576 pixel, and small, which is greater than or equal to 576 pixel, and then medium, which is greater than or equal to 768 pixel, and large, which is greater than or equal to 992 pixel, and then extra large, which is greater than or equal to 1200 pixel, and extra large, which is greater than or equal to 1400 pixel. The breakpoints are customizable with, which is used to determine how your website layout change on different devices like mobile, tablet, and laptop and desktop. So the main aim of breakpoint is used to create a responsive design. And you can change these customizable breakpoint with by using their variable SCSS file, but I prefer to use these standard breakpoints, which is good to create a responsive design. And these breakpoints uses media queries and min width property. So you can see these media queries in their documentation.